Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon Halloween cat cake. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our creepy cat cake, let's begin with the frosting. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to begin by making a little curve. Then I'm just going to go and make some long kind of wavy lines right across here, just to make it look like the frosting is kind of like dripping down. And you can really do that however you want to. Next, I'm going to make this line come across here, and then we're just going to connect it to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring it across here, and then come up. Then I'm going to make another little line here for like the bottom of the cake. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little diagonal line, and then I'm going to make another little diagonal line right here. Then I'm going to make a curve here for the eyes, and we'll make a curve here for the eyes. Now I'm going to make a curve here. Now I'm going to make a curve here. Then we'll make a little circle here and a little circle here. And we can go ahead and color in this part of the eye. Next, for the nose, let's make a little line. Then we'll make a little triangle that comes up and down. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down like this, and we'll kind of curve down and up like this. Now I'm going to make a line here that goes down and up. I'll make a line here and a line here, and then we can color in this part too, and leave those little spaces there to make it look like teeth. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to jump down here. And we're going to make some little X's on here, so it kind of looks like stitches. I'm going to draw a little curved line underneath each eye. Then right up here, I'm going to make some ears. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up and down. And then same thing here, kind of curve it up and down. I'll make another little line here, and then another little line here. Next, I'm going to make a candle. We're going to make it look like a bone. So we're going to bring a line that's going to go up and down with a curve, and then another one's going to curve and then go down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve here to a point and down for a flame. And we'll put a little circle in there. Next, over here, I'm going to make a little worm coming out, so I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around and bring it back. And we'll put some lines on here. Kind of almost look like a tail on there too. Next, on the eyes, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to come down and bring it back. And then same thing here, kind of down and bring it back. Then right here, I'm going to make just a little kind of wiggly line that just kind of looks like a little bit of slime or something coming out of the little cake. And there you go. There is your drawing of some creepy little cat cake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.